Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader. Right now, I'm heading over here to Sam's Club. I just got the biggest order that I ever got in my entire life.
What?
I've been doing gig work for 2.5 years, which ain't very long. The apps have been around for about 10 years now if you're starting with DoorDash. All the other apps came through after that. Maybe Uber Eats was around a little bit before. I'm not sure at this second, but during the height of the pandemic, that's when we were seeing the biggest, best orders with the best tips on them. And we haven't really been seeing that lately. We have not. I've been doing gig work for the last 2.5 years, and I quit my W-2 job, and I've been doing gig work full time.
Man!
This order is $99.75 for 45 miles. FBI, open up! Sam's Club is right across the street. I picked up from Sam's Club probably, if I had to count, at least out of my almost 2,500, probably at least a couple hundred times out of all the Walmart Spark pickups I did. I've never seen an order pay anything close to $100, let alone paying $100 and having 2-to-1 miles to money ratio. We got 3 customers on here. $9.75. Call it 2 hours of work. 3 customers. We pulling up to Sam's Club right now. I still got 30 whole minutes before it's time to check in for this order. Sam's Club send out their orders, and sometimes it be 30 minutes out. I'm pulling up. I am pulling up right now. This one order, this is what you call a super unicorn order. I ain't never seen an order paying this much, not coming out of Walmart, not coming out of Sam's Club. I got an Instacart order that was $85 for 14 miles, and that happened one time. But this is by far the biggest, best order I've gotten all year. I pray to God this ain't no ghost order. I already had it in the back of my head, so I might as well go ahead and throw it out there. I pray it ain't no ghost order. But honestly, look, I feel really confident that we good to go on this. I really do think we good to go. It's not an ASAP order. So, I think we gonna be good to go on this one. Sam's Club right here, we finna pull up. I just put like 10 bucks in gas in the gas tank, not even an hour ago. Oh my goodness, I hope this order is real. It gotta be real. This cannot be a ghost order. I'm finna pull up in the closest parking spot. The time right now, I got 20 minutes. I'm about to flag down the first associate I see. It probably ain't even that much stuff either. We here now, we sitting, we just doing the waiting game now. That's the curbside pickup door right there. You see, that's the associate. They bringing out orders. It's only like 3 of us here right now. I ain't even gonna lie to you. My heart is thumping right now. When you picking up the biggest order you ever got in your life, and you at a spot like Sam's Club, you got that thought in the back of your head. Like, we got 3 separate customers totaling $63 in total tip. 30-something dollars in base pay, but the mileage is 45. And the crazy part is, it's routing me back to my neighborhood. So even though I got 45 miles total distance on this trip, a lot of times when you drop off your last order, you be about 20 plus miles away. My last drop off is over here. So I'm dropping off one order like 6 miles away, north. Then I'm driving south towards St. Louis, Granite City area, above the 25 miles. Then I'm driving back. So the total mileage is including the round trip miles. We're finna pray together. We just gotta pray, cause I need this $100, and I'm trying to get these dropped off as quickly as possible. I thought it said an hour and 40 minutes. It say an hour and 31 minutes. That mean realistically, I might get this done in like an hour and 10 minutes. And all the school buses then already took all the kids home, so it's gonna be less traffic on the road. Oh man, we need this order, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. Once I see them bringing it out, I'm gonna let y'all see what all the items is and how big it is. It let us check in, y'all. It let us check in and click arrived. 6 items, 17 items, and then 2 items. This order ain't even that big. You know what I think happened? I'm gonna keep it 100. This is what I think happened. I think all 3 customers tipped $20 a piece, and with the mileage being what it is, they pay a little less than 1-to-1 miles to money ratio. 45 miles, they paying like 35 bucks in base pay. It's all because of the customers. This is a perfect example to where an order that would be considered bad is turned into a banger. If this order didn't have 0 tips on it, it would be 63 minus 99. So you got 99, you take off 60, that leave you 39. So then you take off 3 more. That leave you 36. This would be $36 in base pay for 45 miles if there was no tip. But since each customer tipped $20, presumably, that make this a $99 or $100 order basic. I hope they bring this out. We finna see. Boy, I ain't never been so happy in my life. We good to go. So this the biggest one right here?
Yes, sir.
All right, so you say you want this one back here. I should put this one in the front.
Okay,
Bet.
so
This stuff. And then we got this. Woo! Walmart Spark for the win. This is why Walmart Spark is better than DoorDash. This is why right here. Because the simple fact that you ain't got to have no special program, catering order, you know, large order. You ain't got to have none of that. Everybody has the opportunity to get these. Now, that ain't saying you going to get it. You ever going to get it. Or it's going to be every day. But just the simple fact that you can get one, make it worth it. So I was wrong, y'all. The first drop off is 8 miles away, but it don't matter. The mileage is still the same. 45 miles total, round trip included. My first order's taking me down the highway. It says 8 miles, 14 minutes. I don't think it's gonna be a full 14 because it's all country county roads out here. You know, 70 miles an hour down the highway. The roads that intersect off the highway, you talking about 50, 55 miles an hour. I don't think it's gonna take me 15 minutes to get to this first drop off, but it is 8 miles down the highway. And I know for a fact I will be driving that 8 miles back and probably an additional 20 down to Granite City after this. But again, it is 4:13. We got the order picked up. It says it's gonna take me an hour and a half. Let's see if it takes me all the way until 5:45 to get this done. Just got the second one dropped off. This is the second time I've been here today. This customer got a Walmart order earlier today. That order paid $37. And it was all sodas. And now I'm delivering them they Sam's Club order. This one customer right here, they really done took care of me today. So we are only 45 minutes into this order. We only been on this order for 45 minutes, y'all. This is absolutely crazy. I'm finna start the navigation to the last drop off and it's taking me back to my home zone. This is the round trip right here. So and look, this all we got is 2 cases of Monster. The time is 5:20, y'all. We pulling up to our last delivery location right now. I cannot believe it. We just made $100 in 1 hour. Is that it right there? 15, 17? I cannot tell. It's gotta be this one right here. 1 and 2. Yep, this is easy. Ooh, nice, and I got a chair to sit. That was literally the best order I ever did in my whole entire life. $99. Come on, get up there. Now, I picked the order up at 3, had to wait 30 minutes to check in, and it took them 10 minutes to bring it out. So that is 40 minutes right there. But from 4:12 to 5:20, it took us 1 hour and 8 minutes. Round trip miles, y'all. This is a win. I'm literally back in my zone. I'm right over here by Wayne Gang, Viva La Fiesta. That was $100 and it brought me back to my starting point, basically. It don't get no better than that. But guess what? It do get better than that. Tell me why we got Sam's Club incentive specifically for this time block too. Every curbside order you pick up, you get an additional $5. So I get to throw $5 on top of the $100 I already made. That's $105. And this the best start to a shift I ever had. Best order I ever had. Easiest order I ever had. Curbside pickup, I ain't even have to shop it, y'all. This is why Walmart Spark is better than DoorDash. And you want to know what make it even better? I turned on Grubhub. Tell me why they gave me an $11 Taco Bell order. And I'm heading to Taco Bell right now. So I'm leaving the last drop off and I'm heading to an $11 order. Already into the next hour, already got my next order. And then on top of it, Walmart right down the street. Walmart and Sam's Club right down the street. I still got Spark going too. Now I'm gonna admit, that's 100% luck. It ain't nothing I can do to increase my chances of getting an order like that. You just gotta be lucky. Right up. It's simple as that. You gotta be lucky. I was lucky I had the app on at the right time in the right place. Let's get this money.